Hey y'all, this is Chris with OneSupport.com, and today is day 10 of our 12 days of giveaways. So today I have the Roku Premiere. The Roku is a multimedia streaming device not unlike that of the Apple TV that I reviewed back in June. With this Roku, you can get most of your favorite streaming services such as Netflix, Hulu, Prime Video, and many more. This Roku works with Alexa and also with Google Assistant. The Roku Premiere can stream in Ultra HD 4K, however that's going to be dependent upon your internet connection and the TV that this device is connected to. Alright, well, let's check it out. So you can see here on the box that it does say you can stream in 4K Ultra D up to 60 frames per second, and again that is going to be dependent upon your internet connection and whether or not your TV is 4K compatible. Alright, so inside the box you're going to have your remote, your device, your power source, stickers. Alright, and if you look at that, unlike the Apple TV, the Roku Premiere does come with an HDMI cable.
Dude, are you still salty about that?
Of course I'm still salty about that. So, interesting to note, the Apple TV does not come with an HDMI cable, so if you do purchase this device, you will also need to purchase an HDMI cable if you don't have an extra one laying around the house. Alright, so here you're going to have your power source, your cable that connects your power source to your device. You're going to have your remote. You can see that your remote has the Sling button, Hulu button, Netflix button, and ESPN Plus button. And underneath the actual device itself, you're going to have this adhesive strip, so you could actually stick this to the back of your TV if you'd like. And of course you're going to have your two AAA batteries for your remote. So another streaming service that's available on Roku is Movies Anywhere, which I talked about during the Apple TV review. But still, since I do purchase most of my movies through iTunes, there are going to be a lot of movies that I'm not going to be able to get on the Roku through Movies Anywhere because Movies Anywhere doesn't have a licensing agreement with every movie studio. But at only $40, the Roku is a great alternative to Apple TV and very comparable to the Chromecast. So Rokus are actually great gifts for mom and dad or grandma and grandpa, anyone trying to save a little money by trying to cut the cable. I've actually been thinking about getting my mom a Roku for Christmas. Alright y'all, so that is the Roku Premiere. You can pick that up on Amazon for $40, and I'm going to have that link down below in the description. Also down below in the description, I'm going to have a link to our blog where you can enter to win this Roku Premiere. And everyone who wins one of these giveaways also gets a free year of OneSupport. So in the meantime, if you have any other questions, feel free to visit us at OneSupport.com or give one of our technology advisors a call at the number on your screen. Thanks for watching.